Hey guys, first, let me tell you something. Um, the next video, I'm gonna do release something exciting. I'm gonna unbox Xbox, so I'll see you later then. But I know this is a short video, but subscribe, rate, and comment. Push that like right now. I dare you.